Welcome to my channel. Today our topic days of the week. The first day of week is Monday. Second day of the week is Tuesday. Third day of the week is Wednesday. Fourth day of the week is Thursday. Fifth day of the week is Friday. Sixth day of the week is Saturday. And the seventh day of the week is Sunday.